Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. This is Snapseed editing tips in under 2 minutes. First thing, open the app into your device and tap anywhere to open a photo and make sure to allow the files over here down below. And now it will open up your gallery and just simply select a photo that you prefer. And now, once you have opened up your photo, right away you should be able to see down below multiple filters that you could choose from. So pretty much this will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for smooth and tap on the check icon. And now you will have a very basic tabs. You will have styles, you will have tools over here. And pretty much over here you will have the tools that you need. And you can just simply go ahead and select tune image. So guys, tune image is the very important one. So pretty much you could just simply select the settings icon down below and you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, saturation, ambience. So pretty much over here you can swipe left and right to adjust the warmth of your picture. And now you could just simply select it, of course. And once you are done, you could just simply select the check on the bottom right. And pretty much you just have two tabs that you could choose from. And guys, you could just simply experiment with the other tools over here. And once you are done, of course, you could just simply select export and you will have multiple options over here. And you could just simply tap on save to save it to your gallery. And now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.